Sketch to Reality transforms your technical drawings and sketches into production-ready visuals in seconds. No rendering software, no manual visualization. Find Sketch to Reality on the Myth AI homepage, listed under the new features. Step 1. Upload your sketch. This can be a hand drawing, a technical flat, or any line illustration of your design. Choose the sketch file from your computer. Below the sketch, you'll find the reference image field. Here, a real Oriental rug photo is being added as the visual reference. The AI will read its colors, texture, and pattern language. Hit Next to move to category selection. Step 2. Choose the product category. This tells Myth AI what type of item it's working with. The category list covers garments, accessories, home textiles, and more. For this example, carpets is selected. Step 3 is where you control the output. Start with the main color, or leave it on auto to let the AI decide. You can pick a preset color, add a custom one. The material field gives you 2 options. Type a description like wool, hand knotted, or upload a photo of the actual material. For the highest quality output, set resolution to 4K. For social content or quick previews, 2K is plenty. Hit Generate. The credit count shows how many credits this generation costs. Processing takes a few seconds. The result is in. Myth AI has interpreted the sketch structure, applied the reference palette, and generated a photorealistic carpet visual. If your material reference image has low resolution, Myth AI flags it and offers to upscale it automatically. 2 super resolution options. 2 times takes the output to 2048 pixels, 4 times pushes to 4096 pixels. Each costs 1 credit. 4 times super resolution is selected. After upscaling, the detail in textures, borders, and motifs becomes significantly sharper. Myth AI generated 2 variations. Resolution is selected. After upscaling, the detail in textures, borders, and motifs, the text field below lets you describe specific details about the design. Each generation gives you multiple variations. You can compare them and download the one that fits your brief. For precise color control, click the plus button next to the color swatches. This opens the color picker with 3 input methods. Switch between hex, RGB, or CMYK, depending on your production workflow. All standard color formats are supported. The Pantone tab connects directly to the Pantone library. You can also browse Myth AI's curated trend color palettes. Search by name or shade, each result shows the Pantone code and hex equivalent. With the custom Pantone color and tassel detail added, a new generation is triggered. Result, a production-ready carpet visual with tassels in the exact custom color. Specified, generated from a sketch and a reference photo. The second variation takes the same sketch in a deeper, richer colorway. Both are ready to download. Any output can be sent directly to other Myth AI tools, Colorway for palette variations, Upscale Pro for maximum resolution, or Mockup Generator to preview it in a room setting. Second example, an evening dress. The sketch, a technical flat of a draped gown with spaghetti straps, is uploaded, and dresses is selected as the category. In the design details field, a specific instruction is typed. The shoulder straps should have golden metallic trims. This kind of note guides the AI to preserve a detail the sketch alone cannot communicate. Now the material reference. Instead of typing a description, the image of the actual fabric is uploaded. The material reference is a stone-embellished lace fabric, champagne and gold tones with crystal and bead detailing. Myth AI will use this to determine how the surface of the dress should look and feel. The result? A production-ready evening gown visual. The AI has followed the sketch silhouette, applied the lace embellishment texture from the material reference, and added the golden metallic strap detail from the text note. Sketch to reality, from drawing to production-ready visual, in seconds.